how to connect Hostinger domain to System.io. Open up System.io, hover over your profile icon, and then go into settings. Here from the left hand side, you want to focus on custom domains. Click on custom domains, and from here we will select add domain. It is going to ask for your domain name, so you will need to go into Hostinger, click on domains. From the domain portfolio, find the domain which you want to use and just copy it. After we have copied it, we need to paste it here, and you will click on save. Okay, it needs to begin with www. I forgot that, so we're just gonna click on save. Okay, so once you click on save here, it is gonna show you how you can connect it essentially to System.io. So we're just gonna wait for this. Okay, so we need to add this. So just like that, we will need to go into Hostinger, then click on manage for the domain which we just copied, go into DNS/name servers, scroll down, and you will need to add CNAME, and it's going to be a www, so we will choose CNAME www, and this is going to be the target, so we're just going to copy it, paste it, add record, and we will need to add another CNAME, so CNAME, we will copy this and paste it as the target, and click on, or rather type underscore, click on add. And now once we have done this, it's going to take a little bit of time, but if you have successfully configured it on Hostinger, then you will get to use your domain here on System.io. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.